Mema Ovidia Akwaba about GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news, and I'm the Bremo. A year Mugabe what the Semato a year Omanhene Kwabena asante of Asempa FM. Now what to be Eddie Amanene Papa. Which I say, your small a year Omanhene Kwabena asante said one for Sikabim. Now on cover a year story be now what the YouTube Satuga. Now answer a year bako a year and some women now. Necessary so we subscribe ya necessary over subscribe to the channel. O click subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload. Also what's ebekabi. I feel we are now like video number thumbs up. Now feel share my Afufro so maybe share. I feel yanko and similar. A year Mugabe must say or the and similar to now what I say a year Omanhene Kwabena asante or Asempa FM. It is a cable man, sink I share or baby na confess Esicano, Emma a year Mugabe or no Mugabe, na Mugabe, and the penny hour Bufuya. Now what I say a year Omanhene 2 station so amount for a donation, say your farm boy John Dramani Mahama campaign. Now to was a Mahama Chiska and my delegate. And a year Mugabe and fire Omanhene Kwabena asante one channel or to be manelo. Now yes, Esika or this morning, that is a story being a sebananka. Mugabe peseka or that's our story leading and no, and I want to smile as a officer Sika we, which is a Sicanus we pa. Say young Fancomo no Mugabe, Nanka won't cover sound story, says our story, Nunca in ya and ma amounting crack. Then when Mugabe abontes or no best Puzuno, or Panahu and Tuma, and in Sembi Nara Atuga Afano. Now a sub bonaco money warnings, and my Yadia on Frem cry, no Frem. Now Mugabe Eddie and Sembi Nara and Tuga. Yebeti eye ensema ye Mugabe edi tuga abra woka ne nsema
boy ne ba me so Omanhene Kwabena asante e den wafre me wow opeden na me ma utama wodi e den afre me eni woni na me dia den me dia ma no say ma on frɛ me phone biem. Why never me say one friend me?
What's Omanhene Kwabena?
Body kasa membem.
Omanhene Kwabena asante.
Where you go hey?
Multimedia.
No Omanhene. Uba say and the medical send warning. Say, you're very careful. And for me agro. Because says can I demand say fabre me no. Ma making it known to the whole Ghanaian community. To the whole Ghanaians. Say Spoonie Viva says no. Uchi chesika woni this can na begu botum
Omanhene
Kwabena asante opa challenge me se me ni bibia me screenshot to ofre no na no afo he Ashoma estate no sa story building no mesi ama no
yeah
onye very careful ye ni me bi efiri me me se me pan ho to mo Ghana ha mo bia den onye baba bia tete efie mu no obi na si efie ma yo ye na agi asase ne ye den eni si ye but Omanhene enei wuni me say won fa mahama nya hwe obedi mahama ne na busuafo ba Mugabe kasa in less than 2 hours obetimi afre Mugabe Omanhene abre edi sika ne ma se fa hia me no ya abre na me ba gumbe show so a wo fra me say wo kwako hu honorable ayamita kando ni abeka Spoonie Viva sense wasem intino ya suma ne say sika doso puo ya fanya dan emra me ne ya kele story no Omanhene Kwabena asante ene na meka kire obejina eya sha filling station e wo he ya Owusu
anu ka ye
oyene ba adwuma ya no enye se e sikati ne de adwuma we achi o ndc edu ba bi o mo ye disappointed we adwuma kro mo timi mfa appreciation we kura meka se election mo cover ye damase the my we are not talking about money me John Mahama. Do I am me? And you know one thing, sir, a year donate to support John Mahama's campaign.
Yeah,
I'm the ambassador. I'm the one championing the whole cause in the whole Ghana.
Good.
A national agenda. And Omanhene Kwabena asante me person me Kenya asasami day. Eguna so me can wait out. I was given the appointment on the 21st April 2023. 21st April na da from the office of the former president. See a champion in a man for donate and for Mojo Mahama campaign. Why about him? I can't want so much order. Maka want so much order. Now you're Buama man for donate. Now your mom and yes, delegates.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Right.
Hot news all time.
Caricature.
obi adonate sika e support campaign
said ya papa
na delegates no di we faka what radio so kekanse no
say what obetimi atoke about corruption comfort say o tacha mo and e wi e wo frame say o when I can say Omanhene Kwabena Asante Mugabe nuani o dan duru waka Shegee munafiki Shegee baga biga Shegee dan kwima me papa be so say dan kwima tampiri dan kwima tampiri biga baga biga Kwabena Asante ena nyumre we wo me number wo frame Kwabena Asante Omanhene bonidi no me Omanhene Kwabena Asante wo me number nyumre we wo frame se me nya odan sikana ade suma ho spooning viva since Ghana must go back mu billions of cedis or never se kameji kamabra boy den ebia me with different level ba me dwine jo mahama ho ene wonu abujulos debra ho se inti ba bia jo mahama ene wonu abujulos debra ene NDC for me na menye obi a o NDC na DNDC ana mama ye obi Timetimi agisasi kadoso poi na ma turn me back against NDC ana. My wife said, Kojo, what do you need this money for? Is it house? Is it car? I don't need it. Who this can be general share filling station? That was the joint I was with sharing all this kind of thing.
Watching juicy news on YouTube.
Billions
news all time.
Of cities. Me pese Ghana for nyinate say Jimmy for friend Kwabena Asante a okotena on mind muka say mun dey show on the same asempa no asempa no me tutu no that other gentleman obi dabi no I don't have problem with him here obi ni the producer Dominic no obi is a fantastic gentleman or respecting who I respect myself but Omanhene we Jimmy for
Omanhene
we Jimmy for and when about so Omanhene making mistake here if you watch that one me ba me screenshot on messages e dey magana for nyina e dey hu he shouldn't call me again he shouldn't then make any wrong move to call my phone again say the nyumre wire dey wa frame me no I have nothing at all to discuss with him and so the way nyina no me making it known to some key personalities in our party. When about we bet me at all, Debbie. So I could jail aba, Mako jail aba. It me, your mama about power mempe.
And until you bring
your mama about power won't pay.
And until I bring Muga.
I told her Mogami to me, Wednesday, Thursday, na me ye Jumabi wo tokuro mu. Me frɛ wa ase betem.
Yeah.
Me kwakoye adwuma bi ebe benefit jo mahama wuji tu mo so be de obeba me management kasa o mo team ase enti sometimes wo eya ne ye pese ye hu se adwuma ye no enye se ye kwagigi obi takoni sempo na betra ha o Omanhene mu ye tuo mo ka na mo ye o madwuma no agimifo no
a paid job
aka energy so wo advancements
yeah
so wo din apiapia mo gigi sika wo multimedia ho no ne ana me ya se me nua nkoma mi bum mo sori anu makotena asempa any joy do mu kan nyine Jimmy Sem nyansa bi anim
no madi matem
Jimmy Sem o magisika na funa bo fruit Jimmy Force
second Kennedy Agyapong kasa na force bo fruit
Jimmy Force sabe me kwa me to sabe ayeden wo ye Jimmy Force na mama na huni mita me yembrabo me wo hene ba yembrabo
not at all
because ultimate efi ha ultimate brabo obi a
not at all
ene wo so ya bema e kire okotra ni station won onye den no okasa mfa Mugabe ho na kina ho me screenshot na mama mu date time yesia ye be wa ha de yenye wa ha hene ba skadi na mu odu
wow
Sha we be see under your time. And I will mention the person's name. Tobinko. When you Pentecost ni. Sha on the 23rd of March, 26th of March, 2014. Was it I? Samuel Amo Tobin. Chief Executive Officer of what? Tobinco Pharmaceuticals.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I sincerely apologize for importing fake anti-malaria drug G-Snit Plus for children in Ghana. Tobinco. Opuni was the then CEO Edema Food and Drugs Authority. Tobinco Dibiko PMO our hotel bia your friend say best Western one premier. Why you about TMA our airport residential area? I'm exposing them and I want them to come out. Tobinco. What's why idea? Kron was me ready. And within IGP when we happen to go senior Kron manager. And you see, sir, I didn't know me any no. Sure, Tobinco Diana make catch on. Listen and listen very well. Was he? I sincerely apologize for importing fake anti-malaria drug G-Snit Plus for children in Ghana. Sir, Sankofona no more India, no more fake anti-malaria drug for and Kwalao, Omunimusu, Omunimuhia, Yedin Boni Ebehomon, near from a Bliss Pharmacy in India. Why about Yama Ho? And you to a Boasia Domosuko. Yes, opening yet, and then. Tobinco Onyusu Nejuma, Abrata no Wajuma, Brown Hawaii, Uma Pamano, because one a year health minister and any problem, Uma Pamano view. And Omunana so we append the God for. Oh, one day, I will bring all those letters out. Yeah, did we could pay more Western Hawaii Premier Hotel, airport, a residential Hawaii area on near $1 each me. Tobinco will be $, briefcase $1 each me. I don't need it. Me pesa Ghana for who niema. No my hene sa Jimmy Adwuma na wa has ye no. Ya o my waje so mobile bribe will be our Ghana. Even message ne de Herade de amano. Opa anko respond no. Multimedia for na no mu de make kukukuku no my issue statement. How they investigate Jimmy investigation. They should come out. We are waiting for them.
That's it.
Yo, it is for winning and summer year Mugabe and the two jar our to be money a year on my henny, Kwabena Asante. Now, what I say, the Sikasman or a year on my henny, sell home from there or no Mugabe, and no, and what the Atuja was so very exposed. Now, the partner home and to now, what the assembly Nara and the two jar. The cow said, GC so and Owusu, so we are subscriber, Mr. Over subscriber, no like it, now watch it video. Ama of Frosu and you be Asher. Also, bet me actually wondering of a year and some women are on comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.